皆さん、こんにちは。アダムです。今回の Let's Talk About のテーマは料理についてです。皆さんは日常料理すると思いますから、それについていろいろ表現を紹介したいと思います。では、始めましょう。料理について誰かと話したいとき、いろいろ質問が考えられます。例えば、Do you like cooking? Do you like cooking? How often do you cook? How often do you cook? What do you often cook? What do you often cook? What kind of things can you cook? What kind of things can you cook? What was the last thing that you cooked? What was the last thing that you cooked? How do you make it? How do you make it? How do you make it? 作り方を説明したいとき、first, next, then, after that, lastly, finally を使うといいです。また、作り方を説明するときは、現在形を使います。Okay, for example, eggs, avocado, and toast. How do you make it? How do you make it? First, cut the avocado in half and scoop it out into a cup. First, cut the avocado in half and scoop it out into a cup. Then mash it, add salt and pepper, and mash it again. Then mash it, add salt and pepper, and mash it again. After that, fry 2 eggs and make 2 slices of toast. After that, fry 2 eggs and make 2 slices of toast. Finally, spread the avocado on the toast and put the eggs on top and eat. Finally, spread the avocado on the toast and put the eggs on top and eat. It's so easy to make and it's good. It's good. では次、作り方が簡単ですから、イギリスのインスタントヌードルズを紹介したいと思います。これはポットヌードルです。ポットヌードル。So, how do you make it? How do you make it? So first, put on the kettle. First, put on the kettle. While that is boiling, peel off the lid. While that is boiling, peel off the lid. Next, pour in some hot water and wait 4 minutes. Next, pour in some hot water and wait 4 minutes. After that, add the soy sauce. After that, add the soy sauce. Lastly, stir it and then eat. Lastly, stir it and then eat. いただきます。Before I forget, in Japan, before you eat food, you would say いただきます. But in English, we have no word like that. Nothing. So if you are eating food with a friend, before you eat the food, just say nothing. Say nothing. Just eat. Also, ごちそうさまでした. In English, we have no word like that. I think when UK people finish eating, they just say, that was good, it was okay, that wasn't good. For example, it's okay. It's not as good as Japanese instant noodles. I haven't had a pot noodle in a long time. So, in conclusion, when you explain how to make something, you can use first, next, then, after that, lastly, finally. Also, when you explain, use the present tense.料理に興味があったら、料理に関連する英語を学ぶのに、英語の YouTube のチャンネルや料理の本をチェックするといいと思います。英語力が上達する上に、料理も上達できますね。趣味や興味があることとして英語を勉強すると面白くてすごくいいと思います。次の動画は料理に関しての動詞ですから、ぜひチェックしてみてください。今度、料理について話すとき、今日説明した英語をぜひ使ってみてください。ご視聴ありがとうございました。この動画が役に立ったと思ったら、ぜひいいねをしてコメントを書いてください。チャンネル登録して友達とシェアをしてください。じゃあまた次回お会いしましょう。